sharing with you a dump and go recipe. I like to call them that because you just throw everything in, you cook it, and you're done. So if you guys are ready, let's head on over to the Instant Pot and I'll show you just how easy this recipe can be. So I'm starting with 2 large chicken breasts that I cut up into bite-sized pieces. That will make it cook faster. Now I'm missing some of my footage, so I'm so sorry. So I added a can of corn with the juice, a can of beans, 1 cup of chicken broth, and then a small can of green chilies. Next I'm going to add just 1 packet of taco seasoning. If you want it spicy, just add normal. If not, just add mild. Next, add 1 cup of white rice. You need white. Brown takes too long to cook here. Then you're going to add 1 cup of your favorite salsa. And you're just going to mix this up just so that the rice is covered with the liquid. You don't want to mix everything, just try and cover that rice. When you're done with that, go ahead and put the lid on. Make sure that it's really snug and tight. And you're going to turn the little knob to sealing, not venting. You can push pressure cook or the manual button, and I'm going all the way down to 10 minutes. When it's done cooking, I just flip the knob to venting, and once the pressure is all out, you can lift the lid off your Instant Pot. Now just go ahead and mix this all together. So the secret of this recipe is the toppings. Now this is good just plain or on some sort of burrito, but the toppings make it delicious. Now here I'm going to add some cheese. I like to use the 3-blend cheese, like the Mexican cheese, but you can also add guacamole,